There are many reasons why plant-based eating is becoming more and more popular. It's better for the environment, it's exciting to try new flavors, and it's great for our health. At Rooted, we are passionate about the nutrition science behind health and whole food plant-based eating because we believe that healthy people grow strong communities. Plant-based eating is a lifestyle centered around fruits and vegetables, whole grains and legumes like beans, peas, and lentils, as well as nuts, seeds, herbs, and spices. It reduces or eliminates altogether processed foods, including oils and packaged foods, as well as animal-based foods like chicken, beef, eggs, fish, and dairy. Plant-based foods nourish every system of the body: our heart, gut, brain, immune system, our skin, hormones, all the way down to the health of our individual cells. Each and every system in the body can benefit from eating more plants. So what does eating more plants actually do for our body, and how does it impact our health? Well, it supports our immune system by allowing our cells to properly function and self-repair instead of always being stressed. A whole food plant-based lifestyle is low in saturated fat and trans fat and has no cholesterol, processed sugars, and hormones, all of which help maintain a healthy weight and keep inflammation under control. Plants are naturally lower in calories, but because of the fiber they contain, it helps us feel fuller for longer. Plant-based foods are rich in nutrients that lower our risk for a range of chronic diseases and conditions like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, even certain types of cancer, and obesity, and many more. Overall, a whole food plant-based diet has the power to help us feel better and save money too. Beans, greens, and grains are some of the least expensive foods in the grocery store, and a well-planned plant-based lifestyle can help us reduce our spending and need for prescriptions and medical treatments that often go hand in hand with chronic conditions. There are a range of factors that influence the foods we eat, but leading health and nutrition authorities agree that we should all be eating more fruits and vegetables and whole grains, and that we need to limit or completely avoid processed meats and red meat, which tend to be the staples of the standard American diet. There are several reasons plant-forward eating brings such great benefits to our health. A well-planned plant-based lifestyle is nutrient-rich rather than calorie-dense. It has the right balance of protein, carbohydrates, and fat. You can get just the right amount on a plant-based diet by simply including a wide variety of whole plant foods. You also get plenty of vitamins and minerals like iron, calcium, vitamin A, and vitamin C. Getting these from whole plant sources is actually ideal. The only supplements you'll need are B12 and possibly D3 if you're not getting enough direct sunlight. Phytonutrients are only found in plant-based foods, and they help support healthy immune system and fight inflammation. And fiber is only found in whole and minimally processed plant foods, and it's possibly the most important thing we can eat. Over 95% of people living in the United States are fiber deficient. Fiber feeds the good bacteria in our gut that helps absorb nutrients and energy and break down foods that are otherwise indigestible. And finally, it escorts everything out of our bodies so it doesn't linger and create toxic buildup or blockages, if you know what I mean. When we eat a range of plant foods as close to their natural whole state as possible, we get a range of nutrients we need to thrive with less cholesterol, saturated fats, and other harmful compounds. Learning how to eat for health can impact the entire family. When families eat more plant foods together, it can affect generations of health. And we get it. It may feel really overwhelming at first, but eating more plants can actually be one of the simplest, quickest, and least expensive changes we can make for our health. And that's not to say it's always easy, but that's why Rooted is here, to be a resource and support to help you on your way. So when we say eat more plants, you know exactly what we mean.